the IUPAC name of the given compound is? To answer this, you need to recollect one of the rules for naming the cyclic compounds, which is like this. If the side chain contains a functional group and the ring contains a multiple bond, then the ring is considered as the substituent and the compound is named as the derivative of the side chain. Means this becomes the parent chain and the ring becomes the substituent. So in this parent chain, we need to give numbering in such a way that the carbon atom of the functional group gets the lowest possible number. So it means we get 1 for this carbon and 2 for this carbon. Then while naming the substituent, which is a ring here, we need to start numbering from the carbon atom which is directly attached to the parent chain. So this is the first carbon. And then we have two alternatives of further numbering, one in this direction and other one in this direction. And here we need to see that the double bond comes in between the two lowest possible numbers. So that is the reason why we need to give numbering in this direction, so that the double bond comes in between the first and second carbon. And this is 3 and this is 4. And from this it is very clear that there is a methyl group at the second position on this ring. So our name starts like this. It is 2-methyl, and while naming this particular ring, and this is a substituent, actually if it is like this, we will name it as cyclobutyl. But how? But this is different from this one, isn't it? Because there is a double bond in between first and second carbon, and whenever there is a double bond, instead of butyl, this becomes butynyl, isn't it? Because the primary suffix for a double bond is -ene. So it is like this, 2-methyl cyclobutynyl. Because no need to write the number for the double bond position, because it is present in between first and second carbon. So this is the name of the entire substituent, a methyl group at second carbon, and this entire ring is nothing but cyclobutynyl, and this ring is attached to the second carbon of the parent chain. So this becomes 2-methyl cyclobutynyl, and only 2 carbons are there, and one among them is an aldehyde group. So it becomes ethanol. So the IUPAC name of the compound is 2-methyl cyclobutynyl ethanol, which is there in option C.